and action.
Action.
Action. It goes there. Safety glasses on.
They're safe because you can see now.
Yeah, I can see.
But
I am putting the 2 nails that I am going
catch
to
him hitting
need
his thumb.
into position, and this goes out. We'll grab the wire.
Oh, you just lock it in with that little bit of wood there, yeah?
Yep, that's bide these. Bang that in. Bose it. Bose it in.
Yeah.
So when I pull that out, that pulls it just that little bit tighter.
Yeah.
Yes, love to share our findings. Thanks, Andrew.
Goes around like that into this one.
UWA, the road safety research. So $5,000 the road trauma trust account in WA to fund them for another.
That's made in Japan. See, it says it on the side there.
An initial
Made in Japan.
Directive, understand, to look at
Very expensive part, that bit.
Yeah.
Chris,
Why? Because it came from Japan?
Yep.
To come jump in my truck down south, Andrew.
Because it's Japanese.
Kind of standards. Marcus in Albany, he's questioning funding.
Yeah, they make good stuff.
Saying nothing has been achieved to date with past funding.
So that goes through like that. And that's that nail there. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Review. I think get rid of the road safety office. In place of a registration discount 10% a year for a maximum of 5 years for no infringement.
Hold that.
Any infringements lose
Snap the
discount.
tag off.
Again, regardless of who is
Pull that off
driving,
there.
you make a major
Pull that off
behavioural
there.
change. Nobody listens
that
to
at the
safety
top.
messages. Is
Line it back up.
opinion. 0448 922 604 if you've got something to share. Up next, you'll hear from a medical professional, a doctor, general practitioner from regional.
Put him in tune.
He's got a special
I got
hangover
the guitar tuner.
which is important. Although lots of us don't have the intention of getting a hangover, but this is the thing. Do you have one to share?
So that's it. You just tighten them through from the first one you've pinned, and then beautiful.
Where is this from? Daryl in Broome. He's gone for the old school one. And then lay on the
Yeah, well, that was the last
And
one.
that goes on there.
Any others to share? Noel Lane from Q-Town presented the
Shape
Hogan
of
show
foundation.
sketch. Scott prepares a hangover cue for he and
I reckon we should have turned the radio down for this.
And the secret ingredient.
Too late.
Thank you, Noel.
So that goes on like that.
I don't know.
Put that
One
there.
of the secret hangover
There.
cues. I'm curious to find
Put
out.
that there. Turn this on.
Hangover cues after this. On the squeeze, actually on squeeze songs. Someone said, Andrew,
The plot thickens.
The Who has a song called Squeeze Box featuring no squeeze box. It sounds like this.
Them on there. Heat the wire up.
How many volts? What have you got going on there?
That is catchy, eh? Let's how good it would be if it featured a squeeze
That's good
box.
enough.
This one, I believe, has one. This is John Mellencamp and Cherry Bomb.
All right. Done.
There it is.
Beautiful. That's wicked, eh?
One phone.
Where do you go?
Okay,
Well done, Stu.
Only 80 more to do. Or 79.
Thanks, Stu. That was excellent.